Hi friends, welcome to the channel. There is a good news from Infosys that it is hiring graduates from BE, Btech, ME, Mtech and MCA students. To apply, a link will be given in description. Before that, I want to tell you one thing guys. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and press bell icon so that you will never miss any updates from our channel. And we are posting many updates like hiring process and any updates regarding top MNCs. You will never get or don't miss those updates. And let's see the eligibility criteria. Must be from BE, Btech, ME, Mtech, MCA and MSc students. 5 years of integrated course. Branches, they are clearly mentioning the branches like computer science engineering, information science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, information technology, electrical and electronics engineering, mathematics and computing, electronics and telecommunication engineering. I am requesting you to who are from these branches only try to apply this recruitment drive. Remaining branches like mechanical and civil, please do not apply for this recruitment drive. They will terminate you or they will reject you in profile screening process. Please don't waste time. And all percentages or CGPA should be simple average for all subjects or semesters or years, including objectives, optional subjects, additional subjects, practical subjects and other languages. And that they are clear, not mentioned clearly the percentage criteria, like 60 70 like that. But I think for Infosys recruitment drive, 60 to 70% of percentage criteria is needed. So if you have in between 60 to 70, so please go through this recruitment drive. And the graduates from 2020, 2021 and 2022 batches only are eligible to apply. That they are clearly mentioned, 2020, 2021 and 2022 batches only eligible. Remaining batches please do not apply. And they are mentioned about the compensation. The compensation for specialist programmer role and will be 9.5 lakhs per annum. And for role digital specialist engineer, they are mentioned 6.25 lakhs per annum. It is hiring for two roles guys, that is one for specialist programmer role and one more is digital specialist engineer. And they are mentioned the package also, and the link will be given in description. Go through that. And related to more updates, if you want to more updates like any regarding, you can join in our WhatsApp and Telegram groups so I can clarify your doubts as well. And one more thing I want to tell you, Besant Technologies is providing free training on Python and SQL with free certificate, and link will be given in description. Go through that. Thank you.